While I'm waiting for dinner to cook, I thought I would do a quick video of my refrigerator. I also bought this refrigerator back in 2001. It has pictures of my family all over it. And it's a Roper. A 17-year-old refrigerator. I bought this back in early 2001. A 17-year-old refrigerator. I don't think you would get that kind of use out of any modern day refrigerator today. Buy you one of the modern refrigerators at Lowe's or Home Depot or someplace like that. I bet you won't get 17 years of use out of it. Probably just about maybe 5 years. Oops, I better turn down the stove here. Got my vegetables boiling. But I really like this refrigerator. I mean, it's lasted me so long. Here's the freezer compartment. And also the main refrigerator compartment. One thing you don't see on new refrigerators is them big air-cooled condensers that goes all the way up the back. All modern day refrigerators have them really small condensers with a fan instead that seem to keep your kitchen hot, because the small condenser of today's refrigerators puts out too much heat. But this condenser is got a big old long condenser that's just simply air cooled, and it doesn't feel hot or make my kitchen hot at all. I miss these old condensers on the newer refrigerators. Kind of don't like the condensers that they use now, but there's a condenser. It's hard to see from this angle, but has a nice big old long air-cooled condenser. Probably see the tubes on it. But I just want to do a quick video of my 2001 Roper refrigerator.